Welcome to this video listing of the top 10 carnivorous and other strange plants in our world. Nature is full of bizarre and fascinating plants that look like they belong on an alien planet. Imagine plants that snap shut to catch prey, or those with enormous, otherworldly blooms. Their strange appearances and incredible adaptations showcase the diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. These weird and wonderful plants may look like they've stepped straight out of a Hollywood movie, but they are a testament to the incredible biodiversity of our planet. Over the next few minutes, journey with us to discover these weird alien-like plants that exist right here on our planet Earth. Number 10. Baobab tree. Because the baobab tree is capable of providing food, water, shelter and medicine, it has been given the title of the Tree of Life. These trees have been used as houses, storage barns and even prisons. Its huge trunk doesn't have any growth rings, and its age can only be measured through radiocarbon dating. Apparently, baobabs can be over 2,000 years old. They are native to Madagascar, mainland Africa and Australia. Number 9. Nymphaceae giant water lily. The Nymphaceae giant water lily, also known as Victoria amazonica, is a remarkable aquatic plant native to the shallow waters of the Amazon River basin in South America. This species is famous for its enormous, circular leaves that can grow up to 3 meters, or 10 feet, in diameter. These leaves float on the water's surface, supported by a submerged stalk that can extend up to 8 meters, or 26 feet, long. They are so big, they can hold the weight of a child or small adult. The giant water lily's flowers are equally impressive, with blooms that can reach up to 40 centimeters, or 16 inches, in diameter. The flowers are white when they first open and turn pink or red on the second night. Number 8. Tristerix aphyllus. Tristerix aphyllus, also known as the cactus mistletoe, is a fascinating parasitic plant native to Chile. Unlike typical mistletoes, it grows on cacti, specifically Echinopsis chiloensis and Eulychnia acida. As it doesn't have leaves, it is unable to photosynthesize and is entirely dependent on its host for nutrients. It integrates into the cactus, showing only its vibrant flowers and fruits. The flowers burst forth spectacularly from the cactus, creating a striking visual contrast. Number 7. Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap is a carnivorous plant that eats bugs. The Venus flytrap gets some of its nutrients from the soil, but to supplement its diet, the plant eats insects and arachnids. Ants, beetles, grasshoppers, flying insects, and spiders are all victims of the flytrap. It can take a Venus flytrap 3 to 5 days to digest an organism, and it may go months between meals. To catch its prey, the Venus flytrap it has special leaves that are open like a trap. When its prey crawls on the leaf and touches tiny hairs inside, the leaves will close quickly to trap the bug. Once the bug is caught, the plant will secrete enzymes to digest its prey. You can find these strange animal-eating plants in the subtropical wetlands of the east coast of the United States. Number 6. Psychotria elata. Also known as hot lips, or hooker's lips, this is a tropical plant native to Central and South America. This plant is famous for its bright red bracts that resemble a pair of luscious lips. These bracts are actually modified leaves that form before the plant's small, star-shaped flowers bloom. The unusual shape and vibrant color of the bracts make hooker's lips look quite strange and eye-catching. The plant uses this unique appearance to attract pollinators like hummingbirds and butterflies. Unfortunately, due to deforestation and habitat loss, hooker's lips is now considered endangered. Number 5. Monkey orchid, Orchis simia. The monkey orchid, also known as Dracula simia, is a fascinating and unusual plant native to the cloud forests of Ecuador and Peru. What makes this orchid so strange and captivating is its flowers, which remarkably resemble the face of a monkey. The petals and sepals of the flower form a pattern that looks like two eyes, a nose, and a mouth, complete with a furry texture that adds to the illusion. This unique appearance is not just for show. It helps attract pollinators in its natural habitat. Number 4. Nepenthes edwardsiana pitcher plant. Pitcher plants are carnivorous plants that come in all shapes and sizes, often looking like they are from an alien planet. However, the Nepenthes edwardsiana, also known as the splendid pitcher plant, is one of the most bizarre and striking pitcher plants out there. Native to the mountains of Borneo, this plant has tall, narrow pitchers that can grow up to 50 centimeters, or 20 inches, high. The pitchers are often a vibrant yellow to deep red color, with a wide, gaping mouth lined with sharp, tooth-like ribs. These ribs give the plant a fierce, almost alien appearance. This unique combination of size, color, and teeth makes Nepenthes edwardsiana one of the most fascinating and weird-looking pitcher plants in the world. Number 3. Titan arum. The Titan arum, also known as the corpse flower, is a fascinating and rare plant native to the rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia. It's famous for having the largest unbranched inflorescence in the world, which can reach over 3 meters, or 10 feet, in height. When it blooms, it emits a strong odor similar to rotting flesh, which attracts carrion-eating insects for pollination too. The bloom is short-lived, lasting only about 24 to 48 hours. Despite its unpleasant smell, the Titan arum is a major attraction in botanical gardens worldwide due to its impressive size and unique characteristics. Number 2. Rafflesia flower. The Rafflesia flower, often called the corpse flower, is one of the most bizarre and fascinating plants on Earth. Native to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, it boasts the largest single bloom of any plant, with flowers that can reach over a meter, or 3 feet, in diameter. What makes it look alien-like is its enormous, fleshy petals that resemble rotting meat, both in appearance and smell. This foul odor attracts carrion flies, which are its primary pollinators. The Rafflesia has no visible leaves, stems, or roots, making it a complete parasite that relies entirely on its host plant, the tetrastigma vine, for nutrient. Incidentally, it gets its name from Sir Stamford Raffles, the founder of the British colony in Singapore. While the Rafflesia certainly looks like it has come from an alien planet, there is one plant that is even stranger. Now, can you guess which plant we've ranked as the strangest in the world? Number 1. Hydnora africana. The Hydnora africana has a reputation as the strangest plant in the world. This alien-looking plant but is actually native to Africa, Madagascar and the Arabian Peninsula. It is the only flowering plant that does not have leaves or stem to photosynthesize. They survive not by harnessing the sun's energy, but by parasitically stealing nutrients from another host plant. They grow underground, with only the strange-looking fleshy flower emerging above ground. Even stranger is the distinctly unpleasant odor that it emits. The odor, which is likened to the smell of feces or rot, services to attract dung beetles and other insects which are then trapped within the flower walls due to the stiff bristles. The insects are then dropped down the flower tube onto the anthers where pollen adheres to their bodies. These insects serve a vital function in the plant's reproduction cycle. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a comment, or give a thumbs up and remember to hit subscribe.